Hi, I was speaking to someone the other day who worked at Halfords, and he was going on about how long it takes to take a Mondeo headlight out. So I thought I'd post him this video and show him how quick it actually is, because I believe they're the quickest cars to actually take the headlights out. Taking out headlights to change the bulbs. He mentioned how long it takes to take a headlight out of a Mondeo. I said they're quick, so I said I'd post a video and just show how quick they are to take out. So obviously open the bonnet, undo 2 clips on the grill. Down here is a metal spring. Pull that up. Another one here. Pull that one up. And there you have it. Just disconnect the plug. One headlight removed. Of course, refitting is the same as reverse. Put in the plug. Click. Slide this all in place like that. One clip in. Give a clip in. Job done. Hi, there you have it. Probably the shortest video you'll ever see on Rich Man Poor Motors. Rich Man Poor Motors, we do repair videos like this one, road tests and other technology reviews. If this is the sort of things that you like, please like and subscribe to our channel, and I'll try and post on a weekly basis. Thank you for watching.